Hi, I'm Liz. I'm the senior manager of the Bring Me team. I'm a travel producer and we make awesome videos for Bring Me all around the world. But I have an overpacking problem and it's really getting to be an issue. I'm always so jealous of the people that have tiny little backpacks when they go to travel. I don't understand how they do it. I want to be someone who just walks in with a purse. I'm here with Gadiel and Julissa, who have been to the Dominican Republic before. So they're gonna go through my entire suitcase and tell me what I did not need to bring.
What is this?
Oh, that's a battery for the fan.
What the f?
Please tell me. You guys, I need your help figuring out how I can lessen all this shit that I've packed. This is it.
What I like about this is it looks dirty as hell. So that nobody's gonna steal this.
And this is for how many days?
7 days.
Okay. Let's do this.
Alright, let's open this up. Let's do this. What is this? Like, I'm a guy, so I know women need more shit than guys do.
This is a packing cube.
Damn, I feel like I'm looking at CVS or a Walgreens.
What is?
Oh, she just went down all the rolls and just grabbed something from each aisle.
But what do you need this fan for? What is it?
In case it gets too hot.
Get the out of here. You think
Are you
I need
serious?
a bag?
Not bad.
Noisy.
I'll be happy. That's not a bad
It
fan.
actually is a good fan.
Activated.
Why are you kidding me? Why is she bringing that? Are you gonna whiten your teeth and do that here?
If you eat something that gives you stomach problems, then you eat that.
What is that?
It's a mosquito wristband.
Does that even work?
Does it work?
I mean, supposedly.
You know, I want to try this out because I've been, mosquitoes been having a party with me, yo. This is a mom bag. Like, hey, honey, I got everything. And she gets, this is a universal charger. This is something, I have.
That's intelligent. I needed that when I went to Europe.
Hi, I'm Riddick.
Alright, let's move on to this toiletries.
Alright, let's do it.
Anti-itch cream.
Yeah, to get bug bites.
I need one of those. Let me get it.
Yeah, you
Liquid detergent. Are you gonna wash clothes?
I might.
You're actually a smart packer, actually.
Oh my god, thank you.
Okay, you guys are insane. I disagree completely.
She doesn't need
I would throw everything that you've just talked about away.
whatever.
So I don't need this?
You don't need it. And sometimes it's just fun to go out there and go to the pharmacy, know the neighborhood, and buy shit over there.
It's fun to go to the pharmacy.
Support your neighborhood pharmacy.
Yeah.
Alright, I throw half of that away.
Alright, let's do it. Let's open this up. What is this? What is? You got another bag inside of a.
Why do you have another bag?
Because this is a camel bag, so when we're like shooting outside, I can have access to easy.
No.
Didn't you bring already another backpack?
Yeah.
No, you don't need a camel bag. What do you need a camel bag?
Camel bag for water.
No, that's how come they have water out here. Alright, what do we have? An umbrella.
She needed that.
It is hurricane season.
Definitely raining
It's
out
worth
here.
it. What is this?
This is a poncho.
You know what I mean?
Why does she need a poncho and an umbrella? That's my thing. What do you need both
Because it's
for?
supposed to hurricane here.
Yeah, it's
So
true.
what are you gonna do? Put on the poncho and use the umbrella?
Yeah.
That's true. At the same time.
What is this?
It's like, okay, so it's it's a hat I bought on Amazon.
How old are you? That looks like she's a grandma and she's not trying to get a
Yo,
summer.
we're in the Dominican Republic. We're gonna go to the sun. We're not gardening outside. There's no gardens in the beach. Why? You don't want to look like a beekeeper in the beach. Where are your clothes? Yeah.
You brought more medicine and bullshit versus clothes.
Clothes, that's true.
You would actually need that.
She picked this over actual clothes.
I agree with the medicines. But I think I'm gonna use everything else. So like, okay, if you had to like rate me 1 to 10 on like stuff and then toiletries and then clothes. So what would you give me for stuff?
That'd be 5.
I'm gonna give you a 3.
Okay, clothes.
That's definitely went down to a 4.
Can I plead the 5th on this?
Damn, I didn't even brought any.
That's the problem. I'll give you a 4 on it.
4?
Cause you should have just
Wow, I can't believe I should have brought more of something. Alright.
Alright, make sure you put this thing together.
Yeah, sorry we just dumped everything, but we're not putting it back in.
Okay, cool.
Let me get that bracelet. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all.
Bye, Liz.
Bye. Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
Yo, let me get some of that itchy cream. I got mosquito bite.
What the hell?
You got sunblock? You got Pepto-Bismol? Hey, back at the doctor. Yeah, I gotta stop by the pharmacy. She is a Bring Me producer, huh?
What?